Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most kind. Today we start our lesson with letter E. E. E for elephant. E for eye. E for eagle. F. F for flag. F for fan. F for frog. G. G for grapes. G for goat. G for glass. H. H for horse. H for hockey. H for hand. Time to have exercise. E. F. G. H. Let's do some more exercise. Take the first letter of the picture.